Today is Thursday, February 6th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac DeVille and Eldorado windshield wiper switch. This is a complete restoration from my friend Roderick in Marlboro. And the unit has been completely disassembled, cleaned, two of the contacts replaced. Okay, and this is the bench breakdown of the components that comprise the windshield wiper switch. This is video number 1 out of a 3-video set, whereby in the subsequent videos I'll be doing a functional validation test under power. The unit has beautiful cosmetic appearance on the front detailing for the lettering, and of course everything has been completely disassembled and will be reassembled here shortly as we do the functional validation test under power. Okay, this is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorado. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Thank you very kindly.